If you want to take your company or even a project at the next level, but it feels like the only way to expand is by working more or longer hours, you might need a system. Now, mentioning the word systems might evoke an instant reaction. When I spoke to a group of CEOs who own their own companies, I asked them, what comes to mind when I say the word systems? Well, I received a range of looks, reactions, even thoughts. And some of the CEOs looked like they just ate a lemon. And some responded with, systems give you freedom. Systems allow you to scale. Systems create efficiencies. Now, for the most part, business leaders have this love-hate relationship with systems. They love the idea of having more freedom and opportunity by using the systems, but hate the idea of implementing them, setting up accountabilities, and improving them. Now, for some wiring profiles, human wiring profiles, maintaining those systems feels like they're wasting their time when they could be going on to the next strategy. Well, in my experience with my clients, one of the biggest mistakes is setting and forgetting them. It's not enough to implement a system and train your employees one time. It's critical for a leader to set up the accountabilities to ensure that processes and things that support that system are met consistently. For example, when a client complained that her team was just not meeting the standards after they set up a process, we explored what might be missing. And I asked some questions about the implementation of the processes, such as, was a simulation provided where the team could demonstrate the process or is tested on their knowledge of it? Were the standards and training reinforced regularly? Was there consistent corrective retraining given when there were errors or breakdowns in the system? What were the metrics used to measure performance? Now, with each question, my client realized that training a person one time just wasn't enough. If she wanted the system to work, she would need to train or retrain the very team that was interacting with that system and ensure that there is a process for continuous improvement. See, building in continuous improvement doesn't have to be complicated to be effective. You can designate a lead trainer, use part of a team meeting to reinforce a specific process or standard. Use breakdowns as learning opportunities, highlighting them to reinforce the standards. Now, as many of my clients learn, some human wiring traits need that ongoing reinforcement because they receive reassurances that they're implementing the training correctly. See, implementing systems is not a one and done. You can ensure your systems and the team managing those systems will succeed when you build in strong continuous improvement steps. If you want to create powerful systems for your business, you can join us at the Wake Up Profitable Bootcamp for business owners on April 21st and 22nd. More information on the link below. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until next week, create a great life.